Hello, I'm regular European investor and welcome to my channel. Before we go further, I'd like to mention that time is money and I value your time, so please watch this video in 1.25 playback. So in today's video I'm going to share my investments for the week 3 for November 2020. So firstly, let's move funds to investment account. For today it will be $168, which is 142 USD. Okay, so the account is now funded. Let's move to the Diamondback energy stock. I'm not going into details why I am choosing this particular stock, because I already covered in my stock picks for November video, which you can find in the description below. So now you can see it in my portfolio. Thank you.